Hello guys, this is Prashant Singh Chauhan. So first, before starting this video, I want to tell about myself. I'm a graduate of IIM Indore and I'm mentoring people from last 5 years. So I get this query that which B schools to apply after we receive a call. So though we haven't received our scores, but our raw scores are out. So CAT has released our response sheet with the answers. So just go and calculate your raw scores. Based on that, you will be applying different B schools. So here we are going to discuss that based on which raw score we are predicting some percentiles. And I also want to make sure that these are just the predictions. This can be like +5 or -5 percentile can also happen. So people ask that will I receive a call or shall I prepare for GDPI from now? So I have a data. So from last 4 5 years, few people like 100 200 people are preparing with us. Out of those, everyone who has started their preparation before 10 December, everyone is studying in top 10 B school. So this is one of the facts I want to tell. So we have predicted few of the percentiles, or we have predicted that which alls you are going to get. So Prepzone alumni group, we have asked that which predictor worked for you. So Sthiti Jain, who is currently studying in IIM Bangalore, he said that only the personal in, predictor worked for her. So I want to tell few of the facts from last year. So if someone scored 11 marks in QA, so he or she would have received 77 percentiles. In VRC, if someone scored 46 marks, he or she would have got 99 percentile. In DILR, if someone scored 22 marks overall, then 92 93 was his percentile. And overall, at 78 score, there was a percentile of 96.67. This is the exact data from last year CAT. So what we have seen, I have seen all the three papers of all three, slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3. Based on this, I can see that this year VRC has introduced new concepts, new type of questions. DILR was not that difficult like last year, but it was at par at, on some aspects. QA became lengthier, so people who are comfortable with QA, even they were not able to solve all the QA questions. So based on that, we are seeing that there will be some decline in the scores and based on that, scores will be different. So if someone in general category, he he's a male and an engineer. So if he's scoring above 60 or above, he should start preparing. So if you are a female or a non-engineer, just do some calculation, and if you are like 60 or 58 marks, then you can start preparing. In the OBC category and EWS, this marks can go as low as 50. For SC category, we are predicting above than 35 score, people will be going to get calls. In ST, it's 30 marks. PW category we haven't included. So if someone is coming from PW category or any other specific cases, like you have done BA psychology or BA in biotechnology, because we have some specific course run by IIM Lucknow, IIM Ahmedabad. So you can just ping us on the given numbers. Now, what percentile can I expect? So for this, we had made one model. So that is live on our website. So you can just go on myprepzone.com. You can put all your details. Based on that, you can predict which all B schools you are going to get. This model we had made like based on our experience and lot of data we have taken from last year participant. So you can just take from there. So main thing comes like I have scored 99 in 2 sections, but my 1% section is bad. So there are many colleges which are not accepting like sectional cutoffs. So we had made list of few colleges which are not like taking sectional cutoffs. So IIM Rohtak, IIM Rohtak doesn't take the sectional cutoff. IIM Ranchi HR, DMS IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur HRM, IIT Kharagpur, VG IIT Madras, IMT uh, Ghaziabad, IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee, Delhi School of Economics. So Delhi School of Economics is one of the underrated college in India. It used to be very good, so they offer courses in MBA in HR and MBA in international business. So if someone is scoring 90 to 93 percentile or above 90, they should look for this college. IMI Delhi, Goa Institute of Management, Goa, IRMA, Institute of Rural Management. So IRMA is some college which is known for rural management, but people think that if you are going to study in IRMA, you are going to get jobs in rural areas. But believe me, we have like 50 plus connections in IRMA, but no one is working in rural areas, and almost everyone is situated in metro cities or tier 1 cities. So if you are like scoring above 80 percentile, IRMA doesn't take any sectional cutoff, as well as it just cutoff will be around 80 to 85. 85 for engineers and 80 for a normal graduate. Like if you have done BA, BSc or BA in agriculture or BSc in agriculture, then this is a go-to college for you. Then we have a KG Somaya, TAPMI and Goa GLIM. So Great Lakes Institute of Management is there. Then comes the point that I have selected few all the IIMs in the CAT form, but we have other colleges which should apply. So we have made few lists of this. So NITI is something everyone should apply. So NITI name will be changing soon. I think I'm not sure it is changed to IIM Bombay or not, but NITI is for only engineers only. So if only thing you need to take care in NITI that their sectional cutoffs are very high. So for every section they expect people to score in the range of 90 or 91. And specific to this video, I'm talking in the sense that it only for a general engineer males. So if you are from any other category, or if you are in any specific degrees, your percentile can be on the lower side. So NITI will be open soon, so do check for this form. FMS, so everyone ask FMS after ABC, how I can get in FMS. So if you are scoring 98 or 99 and above in CAT, so FMS you should apply. This list also features the IIM Rohtak. So if you have selected all the B schools in the CAT form, even then IIM Rohtak will ask you few details and they will collect some fees from you. So if you want to apply for IIM Rohtak, you should apply this form and keep on checking your mails. So they will be sending a mail soon. IIM Ranchi HR. So IIM Ranchi has two courses. One is their PGP main flagship course, and second one is PGP HR. So for HR, they will be opening forms in January or maybe February. So you guys need to check that. Then we have IIT Delhi DMS, IIT Kharagpur HRM, and IIT Kharagpur VGSOM. Here there are two different departments, HRM and VGSOM. So we need to apply separately for these two B schools. Then we have IIT Madras, then IMT Ghaziabad, IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee. So all the IITs feature in this list. I already talked about Delhi School of Economics, so do apply for this if you want to do MBA and if you are scoring in the range of 88 to 90 or above 90, but below 92 percentile. IMI Delhi is very good option. Goa Institute of Management, IRMA, KG Somaya, TAPMI, and Great Lakes. This is just the indicative list. You should apply. So these are like tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 2.5 type of colleges, which are very good. They are very reputed colleges. They have a huge alumni base. But side by side, you should also be preparing for your IIM interviews. So people are that when you start going to start the flagship DDPI course. So for the Prepzone, this is the flagship program because we have seen the almost 100% of conversion. So 100% of conversion means that out of all your calls, you have converted at least one call. So that means that there are many people who had converted all the 20 amps with us. So these 190 students were there with us last year. We are expecting the higher number this time. Then we'll be starting the 8 December batch. And first time in the history of like CAT or CAT GDPI preparation, this time we are going to introduce new type of program where if you are not going to convert any of the amps, you are going to get your money back. So but there will be some terms and conditions, so you need to uh, bear with us. You need to follow the schedule, otherwise it become very difficult. So suppose someone has just enrolled and never attended any classes or never attended sessions with mentors, so how he or she is going to convert those calls? So do check for this program on our website. And we are going to do a proper orientation on December 4th, so you can, will be going live and you can just attend that. These are some of the converts from last year. So we had 42 converts, 42 people who had converted a Ahmedabad, Bangalore, or Calcutta, or all three of us. There were few who have converted all three of these. We have 30 converts last year in Narsi Monji. So if you are aspiring to join NMIMS this year, so and we give some specific preparation to that. Akshat Jain was like our one of the our mentee last year, and he has converted IIM Indore at 95.5. And for everyone's else, this guy was not having any work ex, still he was to convert at this percentile. So you can just read whatever is available on the text. So thank you from my side. If you have any doubts, you can connect me, ping me anytime. Thank you.